Let's do the unboxing of the new OBSBOT Tiny 3, which has a ton of features, and if you create content, you're going to love it. Also, it's the smallest 4K pan tilt zoom webcam in the world for its size. It's super powerful and has spatial audio that works through AI. It's crazy, let's check it out. But first tell me, what are you drinking while watching this video? I'm having an Americano. Let's get to the unboxing. Here we have it, the new OBSBOT Tiny 3, and we have this wireless microphone that works really well for creating content. It's just super powerful. And the idea is that you use it on your computer. It doesn't matter if it's Windows, it doesn't matter if it's Mac. You can also use it on other devices. It has autofocus, it has high dynamic range, it has a built-in microphone. But if you want to use the external one to improve the audio quality and have great sound even when you move away, you can also get this wireless microphone. It's smart, it has a gimbal, it has a lot of features that I'm going to be showing you throughout the video, but let's open it up now. This is the smallest 4K pan tilt zoom webcam in the world. Tiny Titan, seriously, it's super powerful for its size. And if you work in content creation, it can be really useful because you can take it anywhere. Look at this, look at its size, it's really good, the quality is really good. I had other previous versions, but wow. I mean, it's really small, not just small, it's truly powerful. It comes with its case so you can take it everywhere, so you can travel with it. And the base that goes on top of your computer or wherever you want to use it on your laptop is quite versatile. It also comes with a cable that I assume is USB Type-C, so you can connect it. Alright, yes, it's USB Type-C, and in case you have a regular USB, it comes with this adapter. And there's nothing else in the box. Wow, I'm really impressed by how compact it is. How did they manage this? The wireless microphone that's going to sync with this camera is super ideal for traveling and having the best quality. Let's see what's over here. It also comes with its own case so you can take it everywhere and keep it protected at all times. And we're going to find, wow, it's really small, tiny, but powerful. Here we have the accessories. I'll put them to the side, otherwise I'll lose them. We also have the USB adapter and the windscreen, so the wind doesn't get in, because you can use these outdoors. Since it's so compact, you can use it in many situations, and we have the charging base so you can take it everywhere. Wow, I'm impressed. Look, here goes the USB cable and it charges magnetically, just like that. Here I have my OBSBOT Tiny 3 all ready to use. It's amazing how much power there is in just these pieces of hardware. So let's install it. We need to connect our OBSBOT. It works magnetically and you're going to put this on your computer, on your laptop. Look, it works perfectly with the laptop, and here you can select the angle you want, and then you have to connect it via USB. Installing the software is super easy, and you download it from the official OBSBOT website, and it asks you at the beginning. If you want Pro mode or Easy mode, I set it to Pro mode. And here it also gives me an introduction about how this Tiny 3 works. And also when I start, it asks me if I want it in vertical or horizontal mode. I'm telling you, it's ideal for content creation, for recording in high quality 4K, and especially if you record in a studio. Although you can take it anywhere thanks to this incredible size, and something that characterizes the Tiny 3 is using AI to interact with the camera. For example, to turn it off or on, the camera detects it, or also to zoom in, you do this and the camera will detect it. I can access the monitor and see what's being recorded. Here we can see different settings. For example, it tells us that to select the target, you double click. Look, let's try it out. Did you see that? Did you see that? That's how you zoom in or zoom out. And to activate the autofocus, you make this gesture. And as I was saying, this camera has a gimbal, so it's going to follow me, it's going to detect me. Wow, this is truly amazing. As creators, we have to record in different formats, and here we have the 1080 setting, but we also have 4K, up to 30 frames per second in 4K, and in 1080 up to 60 frames per second. We can encode via hardware, but we can also change the bits via software. Anyway, more technical stuff. Here we can customize the keys to activate certain settings. We can make the image mirrored, so if I want my hand to appear, I see it as if it were literally a mirror. We can activate composition lines with AI for recording. Here I can select slow motion, normal, and I can select the frames per second. So here is where the artificial intelligence features start, like voice tracking. It will follow you through your voice. Remember that all of this works through the built-in microphone that the Tiny Mini has and the artificial intelligence features. Now, I can always control it with this digital joystick and set a fixed frame. We have this virtual camera function that works for video conferences. And we also have the beauty mode, which uses AI to retouch us, for example, something classic. We also have filters. We can give it a light tone, a crystal tone, a pure tone, black and white. In short, we can do a lot of things with the Tiny 3. Look, for example, here I'm going to put the thumbnail of my latest video. Let's select the background. How about interacting with Good Jimmy? By the way, are you already part of Revo, the phone service with a cause? How about it here? This also works really well for people who make TikToks. A lot of them use background screens. Also, enabling high dynamic range is super easy. Right here on the platform, I activate this button and the high dynamic range features will be enabled. The focus can also be automatic. We can make it global and we can even change it live as if it were a digital single lens reflex camera. But it's totally digital thanks to AI, it has voice functions, and it's also smart thanks to AI Sleep Tiny. And it will go to sleep and we can also give it commands. For now, it's only available in English and Chinese, but they will surely keep updating it. For example, zoom in closer. I think I need to improve my English, but anyway, zoom out further. How about the camera of the future? And we have many features like OSI, we have teleprompter, there are a lot of features. You can even change your voice in real time thanks to AI, and I'll show you how the OBSBOT microphone works. There are many features you can use, or also, if you have a graphics card and Windows, you can create your avatar and interact with it. Now it's not just for recording content, you can use it to be the most pro in your meetings, on Zoom, in all your applications, basically anywhere you have internet and use your camera. You can replace it with the OBSBOT Tiny 3, which will also record really well. Now let's connect the microphone for those who are looking for excellence, for those who want studio quality. Let's put it on here with the clip and I'm gonna add it to the OBSBOT Center. What's up? How are you now? Are you watching? Not only is this an example of video quality, but also look, the audio is coming from here. Tell me how it sounds, how does it work? And tell me honestly, what do you think? Don't forget to buy it at the link. Let me know what you think about the video quality and all the features that I find impressive. But I'll read your comments, we'll interact over there. I'll read you, we'll interact in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I want to invite you to subscribe and most importantly, to turn on notifications. For some reason, YouTube isn't showing my content like before, so you really help me a lot with that. Friends, my friends, I am Andres Nasciudo. See you in my next video. Big hug to everyone. Goodbye.